You aren't earning money online just because you don't know how to start a business, technically and legally. Think about it. You hear someone say, start your online business. And first you think, oh shit, is this an MLM? Second, the first place your mind goes is, wait, business? I didn't go to school for business. I don't know how to do that. But I can tell you, from someone who went from teacher to earning money online as a social media manager, it's actually not as hard as you think. So we're going to break down the actual how-to. Keep in mind it's very state-by-state, country-by-country, and this is not professional tax advice. So you can see how not overwhelming it is. There are two ways to start a business structure. One's a sole proprietor, one is an LLC. What are the main differences between the two of these? The sole proprietorship is an unincorporated business, while LLC stands for a limited liability corporation. That's an incorporated business. The sole proprietorship can be owned by just one person, and an LLC can be owned by multiple people. In a sole proprietorship, think sole, you are entitled to all of the profits, but also all of the liability of your business. Basically, you and your business are one. While with an LLC, your business exists as a separate entity from you. This is in regards both to taxes and liability. What that means is if your business gets sued in a sole proprietorship, it would also be you and all of your assets getting sued, but in an LLC, those things could be separated out, i.e. you are liable for your business. And don't worry, I'm going to tell you how this relates to you as a new business owner. As a sole proprietor, you can keep all your funds together. As an LLC, you're going to want to separate your bank account and funds. With a sole proprietorship, you don't have to name your business or register any paperwork. It just exists under the same structure as your name. But with an LLC, you need to name your business and file paperwork. So the sole proprietorship part of that is free, but with the LLC, that's going to cost filing fees of $80 to $500 depending on your state. If you're brand new to earning money online, which one should you start with? Again, this is not tax advice, but I'm going to tell you what I did. I started my business as a sole proprietorship because then I didn't actually have to do anything. I could just start earning money online. Now, if something were to have happened, like, I don't know, if I got sued, then that would have sucked. But as a social media manager, someone whose stuff is all online, I really don't have that much risk involved. But because of that risk, most people are going to advise you that once you're earning any substantial, consistent money, to register as an LLC. Once I started earning good enough money, I was recommended to change to an S Corp for tax purposes. But like, by the time you're doing that, you should be able to consult an accountant and be able to get the best advice for your situation, because it also depends on your filing status, where you're filing, if you're married or single. But when you first start, you really can just use one of these business structures and it's super easy. So don't let the fact that you need to start a business freak you out or prevent you from earning money online.